Okay, this question comes from John Dillinger 91.
Well, hello, John Dillinger, 91.
Okay.
Greetings.
It says, I'm having issues with OBS. OBS will not record my game and voice audio separately. I have both audio sources routed to their own tracks and made sure they're working, and I watch the meters jump up and down. But when I finish a recording, only one audio source is recorded. The only way I can get OBS to record my game and voice audio together is to put them on the same track. So, for example, game audio is on track one, voice on track two, but only one will get to be recorded.
Okay. I love this question because I think I know what you might be doing wrong.
Good.
By the way, this is a pretty groovy planet. You know what I'm saying? People taste good. All right. So, we have my voice right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a video source in here as well, so we have multiple audio sources, so that I can show you how this is gonna work. You know, because that's how we're gonna show how this works. So we're gonna add the usual video in here. So now we have, and we'll loop that just so we don't run out of audio. There we go. So now we have two sources. We have my video source right here. Or wait, yep, there's my video source, and we have my my microphone source. So you can see them both bobbing along. If I shut up, mine goes down. See? There we go. So we got two sources. Now we're going to go into settings. We're going to go into audio. Right? And now we're going to go, oh no, we're not. We're going to go into output. I apologize. We're going to go into our recording. And here you have your audio tracks. And I'm guessing this is where you went off the rails, because you only have one audio track set to record. So here, in this case, we have two different audio sources. We have the audio from my video and the audio from my voice. So now we have two recordings happening. All right, so we're going to go and click OK there. And then we're going to go here. We're going to click this little gear button. And we're going to go to our advanced audio properties. And now I'm going to set my camera video so that it comes on track 1. Right? All right, so now all of the track 1 audio for our camera and our microphone are on track 1. And then we're going to make our video audio on track 2. Okay? So everything is unchecked, and except for track 2 for our media source, which is our video. So this video right here is going to be on track 2. This video right here, this audio right here is going to be on track 1. So you see when we go into settings right here, we've got our recording. We've got track 1 and track 2 recording. Hopefully that answers your question. Now when you record it, if you drag it into DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere, you're going to have two tracks, track 1 and track 2. And they're going to have exactly what you assigned in them from this media source here. But I think you probably didn't click these buttons to say, hey, I want to record these tracks. So hopefully now you understand how that works. And there you go. If you want to see the full video I referred to in this clip, there is a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself. And if you want to catch our live streams or see any of the hundreds of different videos I have over there to help make you a better live streamer, go ahead and check this channel out. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.